Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're focusing on a simple yet effective way to boost your online privacy using MSY VPN Lite on your Android device. I'll walk you through each step of the setup process, making it easy for you to secure your connection and browse with confidence. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type MSY VPN Lite, and then tap the Install button. Let the app download and install. This usually only takes a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and open the MSY VPN Lite app. Upon opening the app, you'll likely see an option to update app resources. This step is important because it ensures you have the latest server list and configurations for optimal performance. Tap on that option to update the resources. You might also see an option to tap to add connection hours. This could involve watching a short advertisement, which allows you to use the service for a longer duration. Follow the prompts to add connection hours if needed. Now it's time to pick a server. You'll typically have a choice between different server types, such as UDP servers, or servers specifically located in your country. Choose the server that best suits your needs. A UDP server is often a good choice for speed, but if you experience connection issues, selecting a server in your country might be more reliable. Next, select Automatic for the server address. This allows the app to automatically choose the best server address for your location, ensuring a smoother connection. Before connecting, make sure to ensure that the server you've selected is showing as online. This indicates that the server is active and available for connections. Finally, tap the Connect button to initiate the VPN connection. Now, just wait patiently for the connection status to change and show connected. Once it says connected, you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully set up MSY VPN Lite on your Android device. By following these straightforward steps, you've significantly enhanced your online privacy and security. Remember to always use VPNs responsibly and ethically. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more tips on staying safe and secure online.